Hey guys, this is Ghost. This box just arrived, so I'm gonna open it up. Packaging is honestly kind of ridiculous because what I ordered is not really that big. Ah, here it is! So what I have here is the Precious Collection Elsa doll with the Epilogue Snow Queen dress. The Precious Collection is a doll line exclusive to Japan featuring Disney princesses. It's a relatively new line, I believe, and they only really have like the most popular princesses in Japan right now, but I honestly hope that they branch out into more princesses because the detail in their outfits is just amazing. I actually already own a Frozen 2 Anna from this line, and if you'll take a look at her outfit, it's textured, first of all. Like, the texture varies between the layers. There's also faux leather involved, and yeah, it's just great. So I got her, and then I found out that they were going to be releasing a Snow Queen Elsa, so I decided to get that as well. Oh, if you're wondering about her articulation and how it's kind of different, I actually rebodied her using the Harry Potter fashion doll line. I think it was Ginny that I used. I may rebody Elsa as well, but I don't know how well the skin tones will match. But anyway, so this doll comes in her, well, dress, and also it comes with an Olaf. I believe this is like the first time any kind of sidekick has ever been included in this collection. My cat is probably going to fall. Anyway, enough rambling. I should probably get her out of the box. I'm noticing how long the train for her dress is. Look at that. That is amazing. Okay, I am genuinely at a loss for words at how good this doll is. Because first of all, look at the size of her train. Like, it's huge. And she has two of these. Now, this is one of my favorite Elsa looks of all the ones that she has, and I knew when I saw that scene in the movie I needed to get a doll version of her, but all of the doll versions of her just sucked. So I was not sure what to do, and that's when I came across this one, and it's just beyond amazing. Like, first of all, it sparkles, like it shimmers a little bit, and it has two layers on her skirt layer without getting too bulky, and it still has that really light and airy look to it. Yeah, it's just perfect. I guess one critique I have would be maybe the top could be a bit sparklier, but honestly, it's already pretty nice. Oh, and since the top of the skirt is printed, it does feel a little bit plasticky, and also it does have wrinkles in it. But I do think that if I just keep her in a position where the dress isn't all folded up, it should be okay. Oh, as you can see with her arm here, it is movable, like it's bendable. She is fully articulated. She also has a waist joint, so she can kind of pivot around, and she also has a knee joint, like that. But like I said, I'm not a huge fan of these types of bodies, so I may rebody her using the same body I used for Anna. I just don't think they'll match in terms of skin tone, so I'm probably gonna have to sort of play around with that. We'll see what happens. Oh yeah, she also came with shoes. I'm not sure if the original version actually wore shoes at all. I really don't remember. If I do rebody her, the Harry Potter fashion dolls have larger feet, so these shoes won't fit, but I honestly don't care. I feel like she'd look good with bare feet, so yeah. I probably won't attach photos at the end of this video, but if it ever snows, I'm definitely going to take her out for a photo shoot. I think it would be so beautiful. I have absolutely no complaints about this doll. It's absolutely perfect, and I love it. And if they ever release the epilogue Queen Anna, I definitely love to get that as well. Oh yeah, quick word about the Olaf. He is semi-articulated. His arms can rotate, but that's about it. Also, his arms can, like, hang on. They can pop out, like that. Both of them can. It's kind of hard to put them back in, but yeah. I don't know if I'll keep this one. Someone just slammed the door. I don't know if I'll keep this one. I may sell it because, I don't know, I'm just not a huge fan of it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye!